didn't. Why did he have no ammo?
Good half, good half.
Good half.
Good half.
Kid, learn to reload your M4 before I grab it.
You don't need it.
You're a cocksucker.
Thank you.
11. There's so many people with 11 kills. It's Illuminati. The guy just lost a kill. What the fuck?
Should we Tech 9 rush outside just a group?
Anthony, do you want to do the boost? Actually, no, that's kind of a
Oh
waste of
god,
time.
fuck your boost, guys.
Thank you, dude. Yeah, so we'll just go fucking outside. Actually, we could do one. We could do one right here. We could do one right here. Here, just get to red crate, and then we'll boost to here. Anthony, right here, right here. Right over here.
Holy shit, I lit him 40.
Coming to the right of the garage.
I should have had bomb.
Mini.
One on balcony cat thing. I want to fix up.
Last one. Oh wait, no. Play kill.
Inside.
Mini.
Nice. Last chance. Well fucking done, sir.
That's so stupid, but good.
Did anybody see that flick on the guy that pushed Mini?
Yes,
Yeah.
that was
That was
fucking delicious.
fucking hot.